Is that a cartwheel, Gabby? Oh, look, Gabby's doing a cartwheel. Okay.
Then Daddy do a real cartwheel. Daddy, can you move out of the way, please?
Don't do a cartwheel down the steps. That wouldn't be a good idea.
I did it. I did it. I did it.
Gabby, over here, so we can watch her do a real cartwheel.
That's really good.
That was good.
But we have to do this.
Okay. Oh.
Try it again.
Yeah, try not to hit your legs on that banister. That hurts.
Hope to do cartwheel.
You want to help do a cartwheel?
Can I hold my brother to do a cartwheel? Okay. So we
Is that a cartwheel, Gabby?
yeah.
Do a cartwheel.
Do this. Do this. My buddy did a cartwheel.
Oh, look at Gabby do a cartwheel.
That's not a cartwheel.
Oh, what was that?
That was a roll.
It was a